Aluminium is an ideal material for aircraft manufacture. It is mainly due to its lightweight. Specifically to say, its weight is 1/3 the weight of steel and so is its density. Despite being very light, aluminum is well among the strongest metals available. Light weight and high strength allow an aircraft to carry more weight and increase fuel efficiency. Moreover, aluminum shows high resistance to corrosion, which ensures safety for the passengers. Considering all these aspects, aluminum is used in aircraft manufacture. Thanks, everyone. Please support us by subscribing to our channel.